This is breaking news. A surprising snake encounter near Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, has caught attention after a couple attempted to help capture a huge, bright yellow python. The unusual snake was spotted in the Market Common area, where a driver noticed the large reptile moving near Oxford Road. Because of its size and striking yellow color, the snake immediately attracted attention. The python was believed to be around 10 feet long, making the encounter especially concerning for people nearby. The bright coloration also suggested that this was not an ordinary wild snake commonly seen in the area. After the sighting was reported, local snake handlers were contacted to help safely capture the animal. Attempts were made to secure the python without hurting it or putting people at unnecessary risk. Large constrictor snakes can be extremely powerful, even when they appear calm. That is why experts generally advise people not to approach or handle unfamiliar large snakes on their own. The python was eventually secured safely by experienced handlers. The incident has also raised questions about how such a large exotic snake ended up in the Myrtle Beach area. Reticulated pythons are not native to South Carolina and are typically associated with tropical regions of Southeast Asia. For residents and visitors, the encounter serves as an important reminder. If you see a large or potentially dangerous exotic animal, keep your distance and contact trained wildlife professionals. What started as an unexpected roadside sighting quickly turned into a dramatic snake rescue, and a reminder that you never know what you might encounter while out and about near Myrtle Beach.